This is our electric for frame self-reversal honey extractor. The motor is installed at the bottom of the barrel, as the picture show. At the same time, this honey extractor also can be powered by 12 volts battery. When your local electric power is not stable, it's very useful. As you see, adjust the button on the controller box. You can control speed of the basket. Self-reversal basket makes every honey out from the honeycomb. The whole machine is made of stainless steel. There are 3 legs in plastic honey gate. The voltage is 110 volts or 220 volts single phase. The basket is suitable for Langstroth size B frame. If you need to use Dayton size B frame, we can customize the machine. Our factory provides various kinds of beekeeping equipment. Welcome to contact us for more information.